If you really don't want to spend too much money but want a tablet with performance that outmatches the price tag and a reasonably crisp display, the Amazon Fire HD10 is my choice as the best tablet under $100 in 2022. Not everyone has hundreds of dollars to spend on a high-performance tablet. The Amazon Fire HD is a cheaper, user-friendly alternative to higher-end offerings like the Samsung Tab S6 Lite, and it comes with enough processing power to keep you entertained for hours. It has a matte plastic back that's relatively prone to collecting fingerprints, and it comes in multiple colors, or you can opt for the smaller, cheaper Fire HD 8 2020 model. It features an upgraded 10.1-inch display, and it has a higher 1080p resolution than the similarly priced Samsung Tab A7 Lite, which produces a sharper, more colorful image that's ideal for consuming media. You also get an impressive stereo speaker system with decent sound quality and Dolby Atmos support to broaden the soundstage. It uses a MediaTek Helio P60T octa-core processor and an upgraded 3GB of RAM that are surprisingly fast and can handle basic web browsing, entertainment-related tasks, opening Kindle books, and quickly scrolling through your favorite apps. Or you can opt for the more powerful 10 Plus for slightly more power. Unlike the previously mentioned options on this list, it runs Amazon's intuitive Fire OS 7, which offers robust and easily accessible Alexa voice assistant support, content recommendations, support for different user profiles, in-depth parental controls, a split-screen mode to increase productivity, and it can intuitively pair with and control your other Amazon devices. The 12-hour battery life is also respectable for the price. The Amazon Fire HD10 lacks some processing power, but it's an extremely affordable option that's meant to keep you entertained, and it offers outstanding performance compared to other competitors in the sub-$150 range. This is ideal if you're shopping on a tight budget and want a media hub that can get the job done, an inexpensive family tablet, or something that can easily be carried around.